In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Exness referral link. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, so your dashboard, or as they call it, the Exness personal area. And then in here, you want to go to the bottom left and you'll see this button called Refer Traders, Earn Commissions. Click on that, and for the first time you do this, you may actually have to do some additional checkups. So you're gonna have to maybe put in some additional details or not. I'm not really sure, but for me over here, I've done this a while ago and I actually didn't have to do anything. So from here, you can just go ahead and copy this link, and of course you can then go ahead and send this to whoever you want to refer. So you can just share this, you can send it to them, you can put it onto your website or wherever you want. And if you wanna see more, you can just go and click on read more over here, and it's going to take you to your affiliate dashboard over here, where you can then go and track your balance. You can see your partner levels, you can have your commission calculator, you can see your partner link, partner code, you can copy it, etc. Okay, you can also generate reports on the left, you can go and see your rebates, your promos, etc. So that's essentially how to share your Exness referral link. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.